Class attachments. Class attachments allow you to store class curriculum, for classes, in the form of a file, or link. The class attachments are per class, and will be available for that semester's class only. You can clone class attachments from one semester's class to the next, so that you don't have to upload them again for each semester. This would apply if the same curriculum applies to 2 classes of different semesters, or if you want to make the curriculum available throughout the year. For detailed instructions on how to clone classes with attachments, see the appropriate help tutorial, in the class scheduling section. The class attachment page is accessible by all users, including students, and is not meant for teachers' private use. Class attachments can be used for many things, including documents like class syllabus, study materials, lecture notes, and worksheets. Assignments, such as homework, projects, quizzes and tests. Other file types, including presentation slides, images for visual aids, audio lectures, and video lectures. You can upload files of many types, including documents, spreadsheets, slides, PDFs, ebooks, images, audio and video files. Please note that class attachment files can vary greatly in size, and could affect your school's account's storage limits. Consult with your school administrator before uploading large files. You can upload a file by selecting Upload. You can also add URL links, by selecting Add Link. You can add links to websites like Wikipedia, online libraries, learning platforms, and other web resources. You can add meeting links such as Google Meet, Zoom, or Skype. As well as links to online file storage for filling out forms, submitting homework or tests, or downloading documents, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. And of course links to audio and video, hosted on YouTube, Spotify and other streaming websites. Links are convenient, and also a way to eliminate storage issues, by providing access to class attachments, stored somewhere else on the cloud. With each file upload or link, you can add the following additional details. A title for the file or link. A note, for a description, or instructions to students. You can link attachments to a specific lesson date, which can act as the due date, or the lesson date in which you will be using this attachment. You can also pin important attachments to the top of the list, by selecting the appropriate checkbox. To delete an attachment, select the corresponding Delete button. Please note, when adding a link, copy the entire URL from the destination website, so that the URL address will have the https:// before the website name. This page autosaves, and you do not need to select Save.